Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to do another video on passwordless login. That is basically the requirement for grid installation in Oracle database, and sometimes in e-business suite you have to configure passwordless login for the Oracle user and the grid user. Well, I was doing one of the project where I was installing a rack environment, two node rack, where I come across a script that could actually save a couple of minutes from sysadmin's time. That you just execute the script and it will automatically generate the keys and copy them all together in both servers or three servers or how many nodes you have. So for the people who are lazy enough to do the entire manual process, this script is a great help actually. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how the script actually works. And I will keep the script on a shared drive and I will put it in the description below in the video. So let's get started. Let's head to our mobile XTerm session, and as you can see I have two VMs, VM01 and VM02. I have the script already copied to scripts folder, and as you can see the script is here, ssh user setup.sh. Well, actually I found the script in a grid installation. It's a very handy script, so let's see how it works. So first of all, you have to configure your host file to resolve the host name of your nodes. So we are going to do the same thing. Okay, so this is my first host or first VM, and it's named VM01, and this is named VM02. So I have saved the name. Let's ping by name. So it works. It can resolve the name. So I need to copy this host file, or I can go to the VM02 and edit the host file and paste the same thing again, but I will use a utility called scp slash etc slash hosts to transfer the host file to the secondary VM. Root at VM02, let's see, hosts. So it's asking to generate the fingerprint, yes, and give it a password, because we still haven't set the password as login, so it's asking for the password. So it has already transferred the file. It's 100%. Let's confirm by going to VM02, and by looking at the host file, it already resolves both the names and it has the names. So now the time for the script. So the script, by looking at this file, it's not executable. So to make it executable, let's change modify executable. Okay, now it's executable. So let's run the script. Since we have the root user, so we are going to use root user, and host parameter, we are going to define our two VMs, VM01 and VM02. And there is some special parameters that we are going to add. So we will add those parameters and confirm it first. So let's hit enter. Sorry, we missed hosts. So as you can see, it is pinging both the hosts, checking the availability. Now it will ask us for the password again. Okay, so it has asked us the password couple of times and generated the keys and copied the keys in both VMs together. So now the verification form is complete. SSH verification is complete. So as you can see, the script also has verified, but you can verify yourself as well. SSH VM02 without password. I entered the secondary VM. If I want to come back to VM01, and you can see I can log into VM01 without any issue. So we will do exit, and we are back in the VM01. This is all you have to do to make the passwordless login for 2 VMs. In case you have more than 2 VMs, you can actually define them here, more than 2 VMs. So generate the keys and copy them all together in the VMs. So that's it, folks. I believe this script will come in handy. It will save a couple of minutes, but thank you for watching, folks, and I hope you have enjoyed the video. Peace out.